Hiccups might be an ancient reflex left over from our fish ancestors. When early creatures called proto-amphibians first crawled onto land, they needed a mechanism to push water over their gills while also breathing air. That same neural circuit is still buried deep in your brainstem today. When it fires by accident, your diaphragm spasms and your vocal cords snap shut, creating that classic sound. There is no proven benefit to hiccuping in modern humans. It is basically a prehistoric glitch you carry everywhere. Follow for more.